Good morning, my dear student. Today, our again midterm test mathematics will be right in evening 6 o'clock. So, everyone ready for the test. So, everyone revise today itself only for max revision. So, everyone sit and revise the max revision. What are the chapters you have? Squares and square roots, cube and cube roots, fundamental concepts, and fundamental operations. So, these four units are there for your exam. So, now squares and square root, the find the square root of each of the following by prime factorization method. You know the prime factorization method, so it's very easy. Only the prime number to factorize the number, you get the square root. Square root means the numbers will be taken for pair number, so the pair will be taken out for the square root is one number only for one square. So the prime factorization will be mentioned means use only the prime factorization method, otherwise you will do any method. The next one, find the square root of the following by division method. This also division method will be given means you will use the division method to find the answer. So the next one, this also very important, find the square root of each of the following. So both numerator and denominator will take for square root, and this one is mixed fraction. First you convert to improper and then you take it out the square root of this one. Only 9 is there, so 9 square root is 3, but you have how many zeros before decimal means 1 2 3 4. 4 number means 2 number before you will put the decimal in the answer. So like this you will do the sum. So this one also very important sum. Find the value of root 5. So I explained in the class, so you revise this. Use algebraic method to find the, so 52 square means 50 plus 2 the whole square. That means it will look like a plus b the whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab is the formula. So a is 50, b is 2 will take, and find the answer. So the next one, find the least number which must be added to make the perfect square. These two is very important, so everyone revise this. Added and subtracted sums. So the next one, greatest 6-digit number, the greatest 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number will be take for class. So this is the fill in the blank. So those book back exercise also I ask in the 1 mark. So book back 1 marks, everything, fill in the blanks and true or false, everything you study and revise for the exam. So answers will be given in the answer sheet. So everyone copy down the answers in this fill in the blanks and true or false. So everyone do this in choose and fill in the blanks. True or false will be asked for the 1 mark. So everything in book back 1 marks, and some formulas and some properties like this I will take for the 1 mark. In cube also the same, find the value of cube means 3 times it will be multiplied and get the answer. And then you find each of the following. Cube root means you find the prime factorization method, you find the cube number. So first you will take for the prime factorization, you club the cube number and then you cancel the cube and take answer only. So this one is very important. So the next one, find the least number, find the least number cube, will multiply and divided. So this also very important. Find the fill in the blanks is there. So you will write the answer first using the answer key to write the answer, and you will study the fill in the blanks. This exercise true or false also there. So everyone revise this true or false itself. Next one is playing with the number. Playing with the number, one exercise only you take for exam 5B only. So in this term, so some properties of divisible of 2, divisible of 3, divisible of 6, divisible of 9, divisible of 5, divisible of 10. So those things are also I ask in the 1 marks. Everyone study this. In this sum, everyone study the identify the numbers are divisible by. So everything is you study, and 5 6 sums. So these sums are also very important, so everyone revise this. In fundamental concepts is very smallest exercise. So this exercise having some formulas and definitions. So everything you study for 1 marks, and then Those sums are asking the sums also. Identify the like terms, identify the polynomials, also write the degree of each polynomial. Term is given, coefficient of some other terms. So everything is study for the test. Fundamental operation only for addition and subtraction only take for the midterm portion. So not for multiplication, but multiplication is I finished, but multiplication not for your portion, only addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction is very simple. Two method I will do the addition and subtraction. One is horizontal method, one is column method. So everyone has revised this also. So this sum, perimeter sum is very very important. So everyone study this. Write the exam neatly. So in choose the correct answer, you write choose, that means A, B, C. The option will be right, and with answer, not to write question anywhere. So only the answer, which answer, B is the answer means you put the B option answer, not to write all the options. The next one, fill in the blanks, only you write the answer, and true or false, you write only the answer, true or false only you will write. Question answer, everyone do the question and answer given, everything you write neatly, not to write the question anywhere. Use the black blue pen to identify the answers and formulas, everyone differentiate that. Every one sum will finish, you put the break line and finish 2 marks and 5 marks. So everything neatly you will present it. So rough column will be put in every pages. Any rough work will be there, means use the pencil to do in the rough column. So this is the concept. So everyone do this. All the best children. Thank you children to ready for the midterm test. So thank you children.